So it's been a little minute since I've done a watch list video. So I wanted to do one today just because I think there's a lot of good trades out there. We'll start with the banks, and I'll say JP Morgan over 116.50. I think that could make a nice run. I'd be targeting this supply area, but just take profit as the trade moves in your favor. Citigroup has been consolidating for a little while after that earnings pop, and we just started to kind of try to break through this range on Friday. So if it can hold over, say 51.80, then I think it could continue higher. I say 51.80 because that's kind of where it's seeing some. I don't even want to call it resistance. I'll say consolidation. And honestly, this 53 price area is the first area I'd be targeting. Then just on a longer time frame, we got a couple of rejections up here, but with this tight consolidation down here, you got to suspect that it could break through 54 next time and then push to this 57 supply area. Netflix over 229. This could be a real crazy ripper. I think it could try to start filling this gap, but I do not think this whole gap is going to get filled. I would be very shocked. But again, we take it day by day. Just looking at this on the hourly, you really don't have any supply left after you get back over 229, 230, and you've already tested that supply on Friday, or was it Thursday? So we saw how strong it was. We saw the rejection, I'll say. So we get back over there, then we can suspect that we're probably going to break. Those are going to be my top watches for the week. And then some stuff that I'm watching on the side. Well, I'll say Queeb is probably going to be a top watch too, just because it's breaking out this wedge. But if we hold below 29, 30, 29 or 30, then I think we can come back to the low 20s, mid to low 20s. And something looking forward, I would say Pendula Duo is one, whichever way it breaks out of this consolidation. If you break below 44, you got some downside possibility. And something else to watch is ARC basically hold over this wedge, which I'll say is going to be that 50, 51 price area, targeting that 52 supply area for trade, and then thinking longer term, if it can continue higher, which I have no idea, but something to watch, then you're targeting this 60s supply area. So that's stuff to watch. And NVIDIA is one also. If you can hold above this channel, which is basically 189, 190, then that 196 area is the first area you're targeting. And then 208 to 210, right at the bottom of this swing high anchor VWAP, is the next area that I'll be looking at. And that's a retest of this previous support. So you suspect to see some kind of resistance there. I don't know how strong it'll be, but that's just stuff to watch. And hope you take advantage of it. And I think some good trades. So banks will be my main focus, in Netflix, and then ARC, Queeb, stuff like NVIDIA. Just later in the week. CPI is Wednesday, so be careful holding positions. Market tends to act up a bit before, or it might wait until the day of. So just be ready for some crazy volatility or a complete chop. So you never know what you can get. So just be careful. Use a tight stop, say 15% on day trades, 25 to 30% on your swings. And honestly, I would not recommend swinging through CPI unless you got positions 6 months out. So that's that, and I hope you enjoyed this week's watch list.